To remove, rotate clip from around body, slide safety clip out, lift up firmly. Before assembly of Type A end fittings, ensure safety clip is removed. Align opening directly over ball stud, pressing down firmly until seated. Insert long leg of safety clip through the 2 holes on the end fitting. Wrap safety clip around body until fully seated. To remove, insert flathead screwdriver under the clip, prying up gently until it can be removed. To install Type B end fittings, place the opening directly over the ball stud, press firmly on the back until fully seated.